Hello everyone. Today, I am counting down our top picks for the best non-slip yoga mat. Finding the perfect one can be a challenge, but I have done all the hard work for you. Product number 1. Amazon Basics Extra Thick Exercise Yoga Mat. So you're looking to upgrade your yoga game, huh? Well, let me tell you, I've found the perfect solution. The Amazon Basics Extra Thick Exercise Yoga Mat. I mean, this thing is a beast. It's like the ultimate yoga sidekick. The name says it all. Extra thick. So you know it's gonna provide that extra cushioning and support you need for those intense downward-facing dog poses. And trust me, after trying it out, I can confidently say it delivers. Honestly, this mat is a total game changer. It's made of high-quality, non-slip material that's gonna keep you stable and secure throughout even the most challenging flows. And the thickness? Wow, it's like walking on clouds. So comfortable and cushioned, you'll forget you're even working out. It's perfect for hot yoga, Pilates, or any other low-impact exercise that requires a bit of grip and stability. Look, I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth the investment? And my answer is, absolutely. This mat is a total steal. Check the link in the description for active discounts and get ready to take your yoga practice to the next level. Product number 2. Gaiam Thick Yoga Mat. You know, I just got done reviewing the Amazon Basics Extra Thick Exercise Yoga Mat, and I have to tell you, that thing is a beast. But it's not the only thick yoga mat out there. I've got my eyes on the Gaiam Thick Yoga Mat, and honestly, I'm so excited to share my thoughts with you. This thing is exactly what it says it is thick. I mean, I are talking a whopping 6 millimeters of cushioning here, which is perfect for those of us who like to get a little intense with our downward-facing dog. I've gotta say, the first thing I noticed when I unwrapped this mat was just how sturdy it feels. It's like it's made to last, you know? The texture is great, the grip is amazing, and the material is just top-notch. Trust me, if you're looking for a thick yoga mat that's gonna withstand even the most intense practices, this is the one for you. Look, I know what you're thinking. Is it really that much better than the Amazon Basics? And my answer is absolutely. The Gaiam Thick Yoga Mat is a game changer. Check the link in the description to see if there are any active discounts. I'd hate for you to miss out on this amazing deal. Product number 3. Gaiam Premium Yoga Mat. So, I just reviewed the Gaiam Thick Yoga Mat and I have to say, it's been a game changer for my practice. But let's be real, if you're looking for the ultimate yoga experience, you want a premium mat that's going to give you the support and the grip you need to take your practice to the next level. That's exactly what I are looking at today, the Gaiam Premium Yoga Mat. And let me tell you, it's a whole different world. This isn't your average yoga mat. It's made with eco-friendly materials. It's got a textured surface that provides superior grip. And it's got a thickness that's just right. Not too thin, not too thick. It's perfect. Honestly, the moment I put it down, I knew I was in for a treat. The eco-friendly material is not only good for the planet, but it's also gentle on your joints. And the textured surface is like a hug for your hands and feet. Trust me, this mat is an investment, and if you're serious about your yoga practice, you need to check it out. Look, I'm not even kidding, this thing is worth every penny. So, if you're ready to elevate your practice, check out the link in the description for active discounts on the Gaiam Premium Yoga Mat. Product number 4. Gaiam Yoga Mat. I just reviewed the Gaiam Premium Yoga Mat, and I gotta say, it was a real game changer for my home practice. But when it comes to taking the yoga journey to the next level, you need a serious upgrade. And that's where the Gaiam Yoga Mat comes in. A high-performance, eco-friendly mat that's designed for serious yogis who want the best. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what's the difference between this and the premium version? But trust me, this one's a whole new league. It's made from a unique blend of natural rubber and bioplastics, which not only makes it incredibly durable but also super sustainable, and the texture is just sublime. It's got this amazing grip that'll keep you stable and grounded through even the most intense flows. And let me tell you, I've put it through its paces, and it's held up like a champ. If you're serious about your yoga, this is the mat you need. It's a total investment in your practice, and honestly, it's worth every penny. So go ahead, check out the link in the description for active discounts, and get ready to take your yoga to new heights. Product number 5. Gaiam Essentials 1/4 Thin. You know, after talking about the incredible Gaiam Yoga Mat, I just had to share with you another amazing product from the same brand, the Gaiam Essentials 1/4 Thin. So, essentially, this is an incredibly thin, non-slip, and eco-friendly exercise mat that's going to take your home workouts to the next level. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why do I need another exercise mat? Well, trust me, this one's a game changer. It's so thin, you can easily roll it up and stick it in your gym bag, but don't let its size fool you. It's still got all the grip and support you need for even the most intense workouts. Honestly, I was blown away by how well it performed during my own sweat sessions. And the best part? It's made from super soft, eco-friendly materials that are gentle on your joints and the planet. Look, if you're looking for a high-quality exercise mat that won't break the bank, you absolutely need to check this one out. Now, I know you're dying to get your hands on it, so be sure to check out that link in the description below. Not only will you find out how to get your hands on the Gaiam Essentials 1/4 Thin, but you might even score a discount. I've covered all the top options, so you don't have to search anymore. Check the description for pricing and more info. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.